What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a bedroom cleaning motivation. My parents went out of town and I decided that I wanted to give them something to look forward to and surprise them with cleaning and decluttering their bedroom. It was much needed, but I will say the hardest part about cleaning somebody else's room, especially when they're not around, is the fact that you can't really just throw out things that you would normally do if you were cleaning your own room. So that was definitely one of the struggles that I did go through, but I tried to neaten everything up as best as I could so that when they came back from their trip that it was just one less thing that they had to worry about. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and it gives you the cleaning motivation that you do need. If you enjoy it, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you, and let's jump right into the video.
That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know, yeah. No, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no. Yeah.
This year, one of my New Year's resolutions was to read a book a month, and I did finish a book last month for January, and I'm starting my second book in February, and I really wanted to read a passage from this book because it is so powerful. It says, "What you tell yourself on a daily basis is more powerful than you know. Seemingly harmless jokes over time turn into serious destructive beliefs. Our thoughts become our words become our beliefs become our actions become our habits, and our habits become our realities." And the truth is that our subconscious mind is taking in every single thing that we say to ourselves. So even if you're joking, even if you're just casually having a conversation with yourself or somebody else, your subconscious mind is taking that in. So just be mindful of the things that you do say to yourself. What has really helped me is really getting into daily affirmations, because you want to uplift yourself, and any insecurities that you have, you can literally change those things around. So saying simple things as I'm worthy, I'm beautiful, I'm fit, I am worthy of love, I'm open to love, like all of those type of things are really going to be life-changing, and you're going to switch the way you look at yourself and life, and it's only going to be better for you. So I hope you guys enjoy these kind of like motivational kind of like quotes and things like that in my videos, because I definitely want to do more of it. I am on a self-care, self-love type of journey, and I really do feel as if a lot more people are on the same exact journey. So if we can all support each other, I think that is absolutely amazing. I am going to start sharing more of this on my social media, so if you guys are not following me already, definitely make sure to do so, because I want to share positive, motivating quotes and affirmations and things like that on my stories. And anything that I learn, I definitely want to be a vessel and share that along with you guys as well.
You were making me so sure in a heartbeat. All of my doubts disappearing at last. You made me fall without saying a sentence. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. 'Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. That something that you do to me is chemical. I know it isn't logical. Something that you do to me. I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you.
I'm naturally a type of person who, when I'm cleaning, decluttering, organizing, I will immediately throw something out, especially if it's something I haven't really used in a really long time. But when you are cleaning somebody else's room, the last thing you want to do is throw something out that may mean something to them. So it was a very fine line that I had to kind of go with as I was cleaning and decluttering their room. But I would love to know, what type of cleaner are you guys? Do you tend to hold on to things, whatever it may be? Or are you just like me, who likes to throw things out and you worry about if you need to purchase it again later?
Told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. Strangers scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes. So change your heart. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. told you so. Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between.
If you made it this far, thank you so much. I so appreciate you, and I hope you got some cleaning motivation out of today's video. Before heading out, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in a couple days in another video. Bye.
Start living now.